code, a heartbeat strong, a rhythm where we all belong. Evolution flows like rivers wide. Together we'll turn the crypto tide.